Hello, it's Brian O'Neill with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck. Here at IP Truck, we're a certified ultimate Hino dealer, and that means we specialize in Hino trucks, parts, sales, service, and especially support after the sale. So today, I'm very excited to do another walk around with you and introduce you to these two 2019 Hino 195 Reefer trucks. A lot of folks don't know it, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck, and when you buy a Hino, you're getting Toyota's legendary dependability and reliability. Another feature that you're going to notice about this truck is that it is a low cab forward. There's no hood out in front, and that's got a couple very distinct advantages. One is the visibility. So without the hood, the driver's just got some incredible visibility. So if you're maneuvering in tight urban spaces, it just makes it a lot easier. Also, as far as maneuverability, when you take away the hood, you shorten the wheelbase. You give this truck a smaller footprint, and again, makes it more maneuverable in tight spaces. And then finally, there is no hood out in front, so the way you get your access to the engine is tilting the cab forward, and it gives you some really good access to the engine and the transmission if you need to maintain them or to check the service points. And at the end of this walk around, we'll actually demonstrate that so that you can take a look. Underneath the cab of this Hino, it's powered by a 4-cylinder Hino turbo diesel engine, and that is paired with an Isuzu automatic transmission. That is a great combination of power, fuel economy, and ease of operations. Your drivers are going to love it. They just put it in drive, hit the gas, and they go. It's just that simple. This truck comes with some very nice standard features as well to protect the investment. One is the engine warranty. So this truck has an engine warranty that goes for 5 years or 200,000 miles, whichever comes first. In addition, for the first 12 months, this truck is protected with Hino Watch. That's 24/7, 365 roadside assistance. So if you have any problem at all, you'll have access to that service. In addition, it comes with Hino Care. So for the first 2 years or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first, all of your preventative maintenance is included in the purchase price of the truck, which is a huge benefit. And then the feature that I'm most excited to share with you is Insight Telematics. You can see it on that truck. I'll let the cameraman take a look. That's what the logo is, the Hino Insight. The Hino truck is the only fully connected truck. And with Hino Insight, you're getting 3 things: telematics, remote diagnostics, and case management. And as a business owner, what that means to you is that you're going to know where this truck is located. It's got route scheduling capabilities, GPS tracking, a driver dashboard for each individual driver or each individual truck. You're going to know where the truck's at and how it's being operated. You're going to know it on your desktop, you're going to know it on your tablet, and you're going to be able to see it on your phone as well. And as a business owner, it's going to save you money, and you are going to love it. So these cabs look great, they're rugged, and they are tough, and they're really functional. That's the outside. Let's take a look on the inside. I'll go ahead and open the door up here so that you can have a good look. I'll walk around and jump in the driver's seat. These trucks were really designed for the operator. So where the steps are, the handholds, where the seat is positioned, the steering wheel to looking outside, they've made it very, very comfortable and easy to operate for the driver. This cab is set up for 3 people, 2 passengers, and then a driver, obviously. And if you'll take a look out front, you'll see that incredible panoramic view that I was telling you about. And another compliment that we always get on these cabs is how quiet they are. Not a lot of engine noise, not a lot of road noise, not a lot of wind noise, and the drivers really appreciate that, because a lot of the cabs out there going down the road have a high decibel level, but not this one. It's quite quiet. We talked about it, automatic transmission, so you're able to put it in drive, hit the gas and go, and it's just that easy. This particular truck, this reefer has got a Thermoking 680R reefer unit in it, and here's the controller. It's a self-contained unit with electric standby, and all you've got to do is hit the on button and you'll be able to start that reefer unit and monitor it 100% from inside the cab. With that being said, let's take a look at the business end of this Hino 195 reefer truck. Get these doors closed here. And we're taking a look at these two trucks. They're really sister trucks. The only difference is what we're going to find at the back of the truck. This truck has a ramp. This truck has a liftgate, and that's the only difference. But we'll take a look at that when we get back there. But I wanted to feature both units. Now, we're talking reefer trucks, so this is what you're going to really care about. Let's start at the top. We've got the Thermoking T680R reefer unit. This is an outstanding self-contained reefer, and it is going to bring the temperature down so that you can carry frozen product. Another feature that we've got on the top of the cab is a walkway, so that you can stand on that when you're servicing or working on the reefer unit itself. That protects the top of the cab. A lot of the low cab Fords out there, you don't see that, and you end up still having people walking on it and denting the roof. So we think there's a lot of value added with that. One thing that I forgot to mention when we were inside, but I'll mention it now. We send a lot of these trucks to the northern states, so each truck has the winter package on it, which means electrically controlled and heated mirrors. And there's a little bit of a safety feature, even if you're down in Texas. When it's easy to adjust the mirrors, the drivers adjust the mirrors. And we find that a lot of our owners really like having the remote operated adjusted mirrors, so that you don't have to get outside the truck and adjust it. And again, they're heated, and along with that package, each of these blocks has a heater plug in it, and you can just plug in and it's all good to go. So if you're up north, not required down here in Texas, but for our customers up north, they really appreciate that. This truck has got a Morgan 16-foot fully insulated reefer body on it. We've got the steps to get up the side, and again, we've got the walkway to stand on if you need to work on it. And both of these trucks are identical as far as these specs, has the electric standby as well, so it's equipped with the electric standby. I'm going to walk back a little bit. A lot of folks, when they see these two trucks, they see two 16-foot white reefer trucks. What I see is the opportunity to turn these trucks into moving billboards. We can help you take your gas money and turn it into advertising money. We can wrap these, the cabs, the box, the rear door, with custom graphics, your logo, and it will literally drive business to you. I think it's the best possible way that you can spend your advertising dollar, and we can roll it into the financing so that when you get to the keys of the truck, you're ready to put it to work. You don't have to do anything else to it, like put it in the shop and get it wrapped. And I think that those are two really nice features. We're going to come on back. We'll take a look at this truck first. This truck is equipped with a pull-out ramp. It's a very popular configuration. It's an aluminum ramp. It's perforated so that it'll drain off any water or moisture that gets on it. It's got great traction. And one of the things that this truck also has is some really solid dock bumpers on the back. and a really nice ICC bumper that you can almost use as a step bumper. You've got the handhold here to get in and out, and a lot of times the configuration back here isn't quite as substantial, so we really like this specification. And I'll go ahead and walk on up the ramp, and we'll take a look at the inside of this truck. It's obviously got a fully insulated door on the back. It's a 16-foot box, fully insulated. We've got E-track, we've got the inverted T, all aluminum floor, and we've got 12 inches of aluminum scuff on the side. So it's really a nice standard spec that a lot of our customers like. In addition, it's got the LED light at the top, which does a lot better job than the older lighting systems that we saw. And I didn't point it out, you're not going to find a light switch back here in the box. The only light switch is in the cab of the truck, and it had a red light on it so that you can be sure that it's in the off position when you're leaving the truck for the evening, and you're not going to come to a dead battery the next day. Nice thing about those LED lights, they don't burn very much power either though, so if you do leave it on for a while, you're going to be good to go. The other configuration that we've got, we always try to keep both of these in stock, is the Hino 195 with the 16-foot body, that T680R reefer unit, but with a liftgate. Some of our customers need a liftgate instead of the ramp, and I'm going to start at the top. This is an Anthony 3,000-pound capacity liftgate, and the superstructure here is just really worth pointing out. We've got a really strong threshold in the back. We've got some really nice square tubing, a huge, thick gusset here, and then full-length dock bumpers on the back. A lot of times you'll see this superstructure is not very heavy gauge. It's a little bit flimsy, and as soon as you start actually pulling up to a dock, it's going to get all bent and distorted and be a maintenance item for you. But in this case, super heavy duty. Another thing that I really like about this liftgate is it's got a huge platform for this size truck. It's aluminum, so it's not going to corrode. It's aluminum, so it's light. A lot easier to fold up and put it away and open up for use for your guys. You're not going to get any injured backs. It's also, I'll point this out, a wedge style, so it's very thin lip, which makes it super easy to get your pallet jack on. And I'm going to kick this up. It also has cart stops, which I think is a really nice feature. And those are just activated with your foot. You just kick the stop and it opens up, and the same thing for putting them down. You just step on it, and our customers really like that. I'll go ahead and show this liftgate in operation, and you can get a feel for how large that platform is and how it mates up in the back. So just like that. So if you're normally operating dock to dock, but you have the need to get your cargo out and there's not one, this liftgate really works nice. I think we've done a great walk around of these two Hino 195s with 16-foot Morgan fully insulated reefer bodies on the back. We've got one with a 3,000-pound all aluminum liftgate, and we've got one with an aluminum pull-out ramp. Two very common specs. On the front of both of these, we've got Thermoking 680R reefer units so that you can carry frozen product in these trucks. It's a great spec. If you're to go and place an order for one of these, it can take up to 90 or 120 days until we're ready to deliver this to the customer. So we're well known for keeping these in stock so that if you have a need, we can get it right to you. We can wrap it, we discussed that. We can help you get it financed up to 84 months. We can put you in a track lease, and we can deliver it to you anywhere in the nation. And we've got 26-foot reefers in stock as well. If you have any questions at all, if you have any reefer truck needs at all, please give us a call or visit us online at iptruck.com. Stick with us. We're going to go ahead and fire these up and do a quick walk around so that you can see them in action. Thank you.